Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to create your own UHF Digital TV antenna. Now this tutorial is mainly for, the UK, as in the US it might be this might be slightly different, but the general thing is the same. So we're going to be using a few websites to calculate the measurements for our antenna. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go on this Freeview website. I'll link all of these websites in the description, and you want to type in your postcode. Now this is not the postcode, this is a completely random postcode, which is nowhere near me. So don't worry, I'm not doxing myself. But anyway, if you click check, it's if you scroll down, it will show you all of this information. And what you're really interested in is in these tables, you see this N here, and you can see it says this N and then channel, and that's the UHF channel this is on. And you can see there's 23, 26, 30. And I'm gonna be basing my antenna around 41. Although this will work on other channels, no problem. It's just this is what we're going to adapt it to work on, for the best, for the best signal on that channel. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website, which lets you calculate the frequency of that channel. So you want to go down to calculate RF channel wavelength, and I'll just select 41 here, click calculate, and it will give us 635. Now what you want to do is you want to copy this frequency and then search up the wavelength of this in a search engine. You can see this is about 47.2 centimeters. And now that we have this, you want to save this, and you also want to go to this dipole antenna length calculator. So you want to paste in 635 here, and you want to click calculate. And you can see in this diagram, you can see there are two sort of antennas, and E here is how long this is in feet, and this L is the total length. And I don't speak feet, so I'm going to convert that to centimeters. And that's going to give me 11.232 centimeters. So now that we have our measurements, we can start creating our antenna. Okay, so I've got this spare wire, and you want to make sure this is at least two wires connected together. And you want these to be stripped to exposed at the base. You might have to use wire strippers to do that, but I'm just going to be using this measuring tape for the measurements that we have done before. And what you're going to want to do is you want to leave some wire at the end so you can connect it to a cable later. And what you want to do here is we measured before that the dipole length of the length of each dipole was 11 centimeters. So what we want to do is we want to there you go. Now this is to size. Now each one of these are 11 centimeters apart. And what we're going to do now is we're going to fold this by either our 47 centimeters or half of it. And I'm gonna do half of it just for this experiment. So we're gonna have some end here, and it's about 24 centimeters using my mental maths. So I'm gonna fold it at 27 centimeters, and now I just want to keep folding it, but just a few, or like three folds is fine. And we have our enough wire at the end to connect to a coax cable to connect to your television. Okay, so here is another antenna that I created. That other one was just to demonstrate how you create it, but you can see I actually use a rubber band to kind of hold it together and to connect it to this radio antenna. So I can adjust it, because you might need to do that. And you can see the end here, and that's going to connect to, so if I get that here, and yes, this coax cable is connected to the DTV box on my desk.
So unusually, the process
and you can see that it works, and it's clear that I have my shush. You're gonna get me a copyright strike. Shush! There we go. But yeah, it's clear that I need to adjust the gain, or maybe I don't. But anyway, you can see that it's working fine if I open the guide here.